Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to make a Google form for your vending machine project. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Google, just pull up a blank search bar here and type Google Forms. It will be the first link that comes up, so you're going to click on Google Forms here. It'll then pop up. You're going to click on Go to Google Forms. And then you're going to start a new form. So this is the one in the top left corner. You're going to start a blank form. Now it should look like this. This is just a blank form. You're going to start out. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to name it. So where it says Untitled Form, we're going to change that and we're going to call that Vending Machine Project. If you would like to throw your name in there as well, you can do that. Now, down below where it says Form Description, you're going to write, this is how many you would buy at each week at each price. At this price. Okay, now we're ready to go. So we're ready to start our first question. Now what you're going to do, you're going to click on Untitled Question, and this is going to be your first product. So if your first product is, let's say, like a Red Baron pizza, okay, you're going to type the name of the product, the brand, and the size of the package. So that way people know what size package we're looking at here. So if we say Red Baron mini pizzas, and then over here you could put 2 count, like it's a 2 count package. Alright, now sometimes you say something and you know the brand, you know the type of thing, but you want to make sure that people know what it looks like. So over here there's a spot to put a picture. So we're going to go up here to our Google search bar and we're going to search for Red Baron mini pizza. Find an image of it, and there we go. The very first thing we see this Red Baron cheese mini pizza, and we can save the image as pizza, and then we can upload it right here. So we could choose an image to upload. We could upload pizza. Boom. Okay, and you may even want to put, see how these are cheese pizzas. We could even put cheese in the title here to help distinguish what it is. So we're about halfway done with this question. So that was pretty easy so far. Now you're going to click over here where it says short answer, and you're going to change it to the checkbox grid. It's the third one from the bottom. You're going to click on that. That's going to give you options down here at the bottom for rows and columns. Now, right now we're going to just focus on the rows. What you're going to do, you've already made a supply schedule. You've already found what you want to sell, what your price points are. So for these Red Baron pizzas, I found that the price that I pay is $1. So my supply schedule, the first price I put is actually going to be 75 cents because, if you remember, we put something that's just below the price that we pay first. Sorry, I'm sneezing. Got a little bit of a cold. So the $1 is the price that I pay, so it's going to go right here on the second line. And then I went up by 25 cents on each one, so I have 125, 150, and 175. So there are my 5 prices. Now, over here, we're only going to type something in column 1. So we're going to type, yes, I would buy one at this price. Okay? And that's it. You are now done with your first question. You're going to repeat this 7 more times. So you have 8 products. So to repeat it, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, and over here to the right, see where it says add question? We're going to add another question and repeat this. So then we're going to have 8 of these products with the prices and then checkboxes for people to click. If you want to see what this looks like, you can click up here in the preview tab and you click on this little preview button, and this is what it would look like when someone goes to take your quiz. So they're going to see 75 cents. If they would want to buy one of these for 75 cents, they would click and check it. If they would want to buy one for $1, they'd click and check it. Maybe they think that $1.25 is too much, so they're not going to check any more of them. And then they would just hit submit when they were done. So this is what it'll end up looking like when you hit the preview tab. The only thing is, we only have one of these, obviously, and you're going to put 8 in there. So if we go back to our original page here, okay, you're going to have 8 of those. The last thing you want to do is over here where it says more, the 3 little dots, you're going to click on that and add collaborators. It's kind of like sharing a document in Google Docs. What you're going to do is you're going to share this with the other people in your group, and you're also going to share it with me. So I am just mgalyan at ehancock.org. You're going to share that with me, and you're going to share it with the other people in your group, and you're going to hit send. Now, if you want to make this look a little bit fancier, what you're welcome to do is go to the color palette. You can change the colors, or you can even add pictures to make the background look a little different. So if we wanted to add the guitar, we could do this, and it'll make the background look a little bit different and make it just a little bit cleaner and a little bit nicer. So that is the Google form making in a nutshell. The Google Forms will be due tomorrow. That's Friday the 2nd. Okay, they need to be in Friday the 2nd before class so that I can put them on Classroom so that everybody can take the forms. Alright, so this is the instructions if you need anything, and hopefully they work well.